We have a 3-inch tabletop vise. It's from ZHR MJZG. Show you how nicely they are packed and everything that you get inside the box. You have your vise clamp. It is a purplish color, and you have your bottom clamp that opens up with all the rubber protectors that one goes on the bottom like so and a spare, and you have a cap that goes on to the bottom area for added support. You simply place on the table, slide over, and clamp down square to the table. On the opposite side, you have a release mechanism over here that you open and lock into place. And then you have the vise that opens up over the opening area. The maximum opening length is 2 6/8. We're going to be taking a piece of aluminum and cutting out. We're going to adjust and lock down and place our cover on. Take off the main plate. With the longer bolts, you're going to take the main plate, slide on, place the holes to the outside, and lock back down. And you're going to repeat for the other half as well. Take off, place the new on with the other 2 large bolts. You have 4 rollers, 4 bolts. They go on correctly one way as the bolt slides and covers with the roller by flat end to the opposite side. Place on and gently screw down. They will lock into place only and only when on the vise correctly. For our demonstration purposes, you would take the roller and you will make your bend. You could open up and you could place in different diameters and make your bends. Many different types of bends you can make. Here is a demonstration of bending. A right angle bend. Inside the plastics, you have different angles of bending for diameters. Here's a small vise with metal that you simply place in and use it to jigsaw, cut out, make mounts, artwork, woodwork, and more with designs. A vise grip for bending pipes, holding items, soldering, by the workbench, on a table, and more. I hope you enjoy your product for your household needs. Thank you for viewing. Protecting your item that you just made, you have these rubber covers that simply go over. You're given 2 sets, and they go on like so, so you can place in your item and not damage the metal.